Hi guys, welcome to Tactum channel. Hope you're doing very well. Today I'm going to share with you how to remove your Instagram account from Facebook. So let's go to Facebook first. Now click on three dash icon, which is top right corner with your profile picture. Scroll down and you will find settings and privacy. Click on that. Now go to settings, which is very first option. Now click on this Meta and Account Center, this box. Scroll a bit and you will find account option. Click on this accounts. Now you can see here two profiles, which is Facebook and Instagram. If you want to remove your Instagram from Facebook, then click on remove. Here's your warning, read it yourself, and if you still want to remove your Instagram account, then just click this one. Here's the final warning. After clicking continue, your account will be finally removed from Facebook and this will be separated. You may need to recreate your Instagram password. Okay, so this is how you can remove Instagram from Facebook. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.